everyone, how are you? Let us continue our chapter 6 of class 9th. In this video, we will talk about angle sum property of the triangle. You might be familiar from this property from your class 7th and 8th also, but this time we are going to prove this property, how this property came into existence. So the property said sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. It means what to prove? Sum of three angles, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C, this is 180 degree. Sometimes the question is asked like prove that sum of three angles of the triangle is 180 degree, or sometimes the question may be asked like prove angle sum property of the triangle. Just by the name of the property, prove angle sum property of the triangle. So to prove this theorem, let us write the given, to prove and construction things. What is given to us? Only a triangle. Name any triangle ABC. What to prove? Sum of three angles ABC is equals to 180 degree. And to prove this theorem, we have to do a construction from our side. So from this point A, any vertex, we are going to draw a line parallel to the another side. Like BC, another side is BC. Vertex A, any vertex A, and opposite side is BC. So we are going to draw a line passing through A parallel to BC. This we are doing construction. From the point A, passing through this point, we are drawing a line parallel to BC, and let us name it as any name you can give, P, and let me give this name Q. So we are going to write the same in construction. Construction statement will be like this. Through A, means this point A, draw a line PQ, any line, name it as PQ, parallel to opposite side BC, opposite to vertex A. We are drawing a line parallel to BC. Okay, now observe from the diagram some angles. Let us name these three angles are here. Let us name this as angle 1, this one angle 2, and third one let us name it as angle 3. Now we can observe from the figure that as this line is parallel. So always remember whatever is given in the question, we will use that thing. Here PQ is parallel to BC. We have constructed this line PQ parallel to BC. So we can use the property of parallel line. So what can you observe here for angle 1 and angle B? Are you getting some relativity in these two angles? Let me draw with this. This is one of the parallel line. This is working like a transversal, and this is another parallel line. If I use to draw with another pen like this, so you can see green colored Z is forming here. Parallel line, this transversal and parallel line. So what these two angles are making here, angle 1 and angle B, these are making which pair? Alternate interior angle. So the same thing you will write for the proof from figure. We have observed that angle 1 is equals to angle B. Reason? Alternate interior angles. In the same way, from the another side, these are two parallel lines and this is transverse. So again a Z kind of shape is forming here. This is one of the parallel line, then transversal, and then another parallel line. So again a shape of Z is forming here. So what can we conclude for angle C and angle 3? Angle 3 is equals to angle C, and the same reason, alternate interior angles. These are also alternate interior angles. Okay. Now as you have drawn this PQ a straight line, so what can you conclude for these three angles? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. These three angles are on a straight line. Okay. These three angles 1, 2 and 3, these are on a straight line. So the sum of these three angles must be 180 degree. They are on a straight line. So complete straight angle is 180 degree. So what can we say? As PAQ is a straight line, so we can conclude that sum of these three angles, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3, the sum of these three angles must be 180 degree. So now we can use equation 1 and 2. Already we have told that angle 1, this is equals to B, 1 and B are equal. 3 and C, these two angles are equal. So we can replace angle 1 by angle B. In place of angle 1, we can write angle B. Angle 2, just observe from the diagram. This angle 2 is the angle of the triangle. This is the angle of the triangle. So this is angle A, you can say. This is at the point A. Okay. So we can replace angle 2 by angle A. In the same way, angle 3 can be replaced by angle C is equals to 180 degree. So in this way we got the conclusion angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Sum of these three angles is 180 degree. This is theorem 6.7 of your NCERT textbook, and the question is asked like, prove that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, or it can be asked by this name, prove the angle sum property of the triangle. In both the cases, in both the questions, like this or like this, you have to give the same answer given to prove construction, this diagram and this proof. Okay, so for these two questions you have to give the same answer. After that we can say hence proved. Now let us understand which angle is said to be exterior angle in a triangle, and then we will study its property also. So first of all, let us see exterior angle. So in any given triangle, if we produce any of the side on any direction, for suppose we produce this QR to this direction, produce QR in this direction, okay? So one is reduced side and another is the side of the triangle. The angle between these two sides, one should be side of triangle and one should be produced one. This angle is said to be exterior angle for the triangle. You can see the same procedure on the another vertex also. If we produce the side QP, if we produce this side in this direction, so one is produced and another is side of the triangle, the angle formed between these two lines, this is said to be exterior angle. This is exterior angle, this is also exterior angle. And if at the same point P, we are producing this RP, just put the scale and produce it in this direction like this. As it is, we will move it forward. Then this is produced one and this is the side of the triangle. The angle between these two sides is the exterior angle. In the same way at point Q, one is produced and one is side of the triangle. This is exterior. One is produced and one side of the triangle. This is known as exterior angle of the triangle. So in any triangle, how many exterior angle can be obtained? Altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 exterior angles are there for a triangle. Let us see the exterior angle property. It's theorem 6.8. If a side of the triangle is produced, that is to form the exterior angle, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Let us see what does it mean. Exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of two interior and opposite angles. So let us see the diagram. If a side of the triangle, this side of the triangle, let us take QR. If the side of the triangle is produced, let us produce it up to S point. Then the exterior angle. Which exterior angle is forming here? One produced side and one side of the triangle. So this one is the exterior angle. Okay. For the convenience, let us consider it as angle 1. So the exterior angle so formed is equal to, this angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Opposite angles means at the point R, exterior angle is at point R. Exterior angle is at this point. So interior angle we will take opposite one, means except this point. So which interior angles will be taken? Angle P and angle Q. Interior opposite angles means except this point. At point R, exterior is there. So interior angle will be taken other than this point. Okay. Means if exterior angle was formed at this Q point, then interior angle will be taken as P and R other than the point on which exterior angle is formed. Conclusion of the theorem is angle 1 is equals to angle P plus angle Q. This we want to prove this time. Okay. Angle 1 is equals to P plus Q. And to prove this result, now we can take the help of angle sum property also, just proved in the previous part of the video. So let us observe the diagram. Here let us consider this angle also. Let me name this one is angle 1 and let me name this angle as 2. Now what can you observe? This is a straight line. So sum of these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, these are forming linear pair. These two angles are on a straight line. So these two are forming linear pair. What should be the total of these two angles? Angle 1 plus angle 2 must be 180 degree, and reason we will write linear pair. They are forming linear pair. And now let us write angle sum property. In triangle PQR, what was the angle sum property? Sum of three angles, angle P, angle Q, and third angle we have named as angle 2. So this total should be equals to 180 degree. I am writing in short here angle sum property. Okay. Now observe these two equations. the sum of these two angles 1 plus 2, this is given 180 degree, and sum of these three P, Q and 2, this total is also 180 degree. So we can compare these two equations. This is also 180, this is also 180. So on comparing these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2, what can we say? Angle 1 plus 2 is equals to, as this sum is 180 degree, and another sum, angle P, angle Q plus angle 2. We can write this thing. Now you can observe that angle 2 and angle 2, it is same in both the sides. It is written both the sides, so it will cancel each other. So we can write finally angle P plus angle Q is equals to angle 1. And this is the statement of the theorem, that angle 1 means exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. This we have to prove. So with the help of angle sum property, we can come to this result easily. In our next video, we will come with some important questions of exercise 6.3. Till then, stay tuned, enjoy life, enjoy maths, as it's easy.